Before we begin this video, make sure to subscribe as a lot of you aren't, and it would make my day. Anyways, sorry for my schedule being crap recently. I've been dealing with some burnout issues. Anyways, let's start this video.
This is the NOAA weather radio serving the Phoenix metropolitan area. This is a heat advisory. I repeat, this is a heat advisory. A heat advisory means high temperatures are favorable. All residents hearing this broadcast are strongly advised to move afternoon activities into the early morning or late evening, as temperatures will be cooler then. Temperatures for the rest of the week will be as high as 120 degrees Fahrenheit and as low as 80 degrees Fahrenheit. If you do go outside, practice safety precautions such as drinking plenty of water, applying lots of sunscreen, and wearing loose clothing such as t-shirts and shorts. It is also advised you crank up the AC to the highest level. It is advised you don't leave pets or young children in cars as idle cars heat up very quickly. It is possible for people to get heat stroke in these high temperatures. Heat stroke is a medical emergency. If you see anyone suffering from heat stroke, take them to the closest hospital immediately. Chance of precipitation for the rest of the week, 0%. Humidity rate, 65%. Moving into this evening, the temperatures will be The National Weather Service in Phoenix has issued a red flag warning for the Phoenix metropolitan area effective from 1 p.m. Pacific Standard Time until 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Winds are expected to reach 45 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Humidity is expected to lower to 30%. These conditions are favorable for the development of wildfires. A red flag warning means wildfire development is possible or expected. A combination of high temperatures, low humidity and high winds are the perfect conditions for wildfires to form. Please stay tuned to this station for updates on this developing situation. Immediate evacuation is advised. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A massive wildfire has broken out about 20 miles south of Phoenix. Due to the extremely hot temperatures in the area, this fire has the capability to spread to Phoenix in the next hour. The cause of this fire is likely the weather conditions in the area. Firefighters are being dispatched to extinguish the fire. All residents receiving this broadcast are strongly advised to evacuate immediately. When you evacuate, gather essential supplies such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, flashlight, first aid kit, phone chargers, toiletries, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio with extra batteries. To last the duration of this emergency, do not pick up relatives from schools, hospitals or nursing homes. These facilities have their own evacuation procedures and will follow them accordingly. Contraflow has been enacted on all highways in order to make traffic work fast and efficiently. Try to take one car per family, if possible. Shelters for evacuees can be found at www.fema.gov. Make sure you evacuate as far away from the fire as possible. Only travel on marked evacuation highways. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now. Do not delay. This is a mass casualty situation and should be taken very seriously. If you do not evacuate, prepare to face certain death, as it is possible for Phoenix to engulf in flames. Tune into local media outlets and internet sources for more updates on this dangerous situation.